Hi, everybody. Today is October 1st, and I'm recording a short message for you about how we are going to complete your midterm exam. This material will be posted to our Moodle page, but I'm also emailing it to you individually. So I want to make sure that you have a chance to read this and make some decisions, and then, of course, get back to me with how you're going to proceed. So having said that, the first thing I would like to do is to share a screen with you, and this is our dynamics page. This material is equally applicable to statics, but I'm just using the dynamics page because I have more people in dynamics, and plus everybody who's in statics is also in dynamics. So I just want you to know, those of you who are in both courses, this applies to both courses. Now, the first thing is, if you look at your syllabus, you will see that our midterm exam is scheduled for next week. That would be between the 6th and the 9th of October. The 10th of October, which is a Friday, is a school holiday. It's fall recess, as is the following Monday, October 13th. So the original schedule calls for the midterm exam to be taken between Monday, October 9th and Thursday, October 13th. Now, in each case, the exam will take you 2 hours, and also it is proctored. Unless you are in another country, I expect to proctor you face to face. So it's important that you let me know when and where you would like to take the exam, but you need to allow 2 hours for the exam. The next piece of information is, if you are not ready to take it this week, well, let's start with the good news. If you are ready to take it the week of the 6th through the 9th of October, what that means is you'll have a 4-day weekend over fall break where you won't have any new material, and you'll sort of be off the hook, so you can have a little mini vacation. However, if you're not caught up, and by that I mean you haven't completed the first 4 homeworks and the quiz in the middle of those 4 homeworks, then I will give you an extra week, so you can use fall break to get caught up. And instead of taking it the 9th through the 13th, excuse me, the 9th, I'm so sorry, the 6th through the 9th, you can study over the fall break, and then you can come back Tuesday, which is October 14th, and take it between October 14th and October 17th. But in any case, before you take the exam, you have to have all 4 homeworks turned in and the quiz turned in and completed. So what you need to do when you decide when you're going to take the exam or exams, you need to get a hold of me, and you need to tell me when you want to take the exam, and then we'll schedule an appointment, and I will set a place for us to do that. But whether you're in 1 class or 2 class, everything has to be finished no later than Friday, October 17th. But in any case, you just need to tell me when and where you're going to take it. And like I said, unless you are not on the North American continent, I want to proctor you face to face. If you are inaccessible to Powell, Wyoming, I do have an option of proctoring you via Zoom, but that is my second choice. So for those of you who are here, please make arrangements to be face to face with me. All right, so I will post this to our Moodle page, and I will email it to you. And then if you have any questions, please let me know. And then also let me know when you want to take your exams. All right, have a great day.